Right now, we're seeing an unusual spike in cybersecurity sentiment at plus 0.78, despite a significant momentum drop of minus 0.79. This divergence is noteworthy. You typically don't see strong positive sentiment coupled with negative momentum, which indicates a potential disconnect between perception and reality. With our API, you get insights like sentiment scores and momentum shifts, allowing you to gauge the community's attitude towards cybersecurity issues in real time. Imagine integrating this data to dynamically adjust your security protocols. If sentiment spikes while momentum dips, you could prioritize monitoring for emerging threats, ensuring you stay ahead of potential vulnerabilities. To dive deeper and harness this data for your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.